Hi, in this question, they're saying a mop cleaner is cleaning the floor. Okay, and cleaning machine is circular. So, we'll make a circular machine of radius r and uniform force is being applied. So, we'll take a slice of this ring at x distance of width dx. Okay, so now area of this ring is going to be 2 pi x dx. This is at x distance from center and the width is dx. So area of this ring is going to be, and what is the force density? Force density is F by pi r square, right? And coefficient of friction is mu. So here the frictional force in our case will be mu F by pi r square into 2 pi x dx. So pi is gone. That is mu F over r square 2x dx. Work done by the force, torque by the force, torque will be r cross F. Now, here the frictional force and r or the distance from the center is at 90 degree. So, we'll take mu f r square 2x dx into x. So, this is your dt. Okay. Well, this is small strip. Okay. Now, when we have to calculate the total torque, we will integrate. So total torque will be mu f by r square in bracket 0 to r 2x dx. X and x becomes x square. Okay, now we'll solve this. So that makes it mu f over r square 2x cube over 3 from 0 to r. That becomes mu f into 2 r cube over 3 r square. So what we get is 2 by 3 mu f. I was using small r, it's actually capital R. Okay, radius. So please ignore me on that. Great. Uh, Thanks for watching this solution. Okay.